In this guide, we're going over how to unlock the new iPhone feature that records calls legally. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, back out and open up your settings app. And what you need to go ahead and do is scroll down on here, find General, open that up, and select Software Update. You essentially need to go ahead and make sure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. This feature only works on newer iOS versions and may not be available in every single country, but after updating, go ahead and make your way back to the main settings page, just like so. Select Search down at the very bottom and just search for Phone and open up the Phone app setting right here. Scroll down on this section, you're going to see an audio call recording option. Open this up and make sure this is turned on. And then, of course, you just need to back out and start a call itself. And in there, you're going to see a little more button. Simply select more and then choose call recording. And then your iPhone will then announce the call is being recorded so that the other person is aware. As soon as that recording starts, the call audio will be saved automatically. And after the call ends, you can open up the Notes app to find that recording, replay it, and view the transcript. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.